Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can work with mockups using Photoshop. When you download your mockup, you can download any mockup that you want to use. I'll be sharing the mockups that we use here in the file section below. So when you have your mockup file and you've opened it, usually there's going to be some files on this side, right? So you can see design page 1, design page 2, and color. So for each one, there's actually a reflection on the page. So there are different ways for this to come. You decide that you have them like this, or sometimes you can have them like this at the top that says place your design here, place your design here. So for this one, this is actually for this jotter here, as you can see. If I unhide, this is actually for this one here, right? And it's possible that you will not see anyone at all. It could be blank like this. So whenever it's blank like this, all you need to do is just try to locate the file. You can see this says rubber to the left, meaning this, and this is to the right, meaning this. So if you click on this, you are going to see the file itself, right? And also if you check to the right, you're going to see the files itself. So these are ways for you to locate the folder where you need to place your design. So I'll be starting with the first one. So for this, all you just need to do is, you see this thing that looks like a document icon. You double click on it and it takes you to this page. This is the page where you place your design. So I'm going to place my own design. So I'll place this there. Now, this is one way of placing. You can see the way I just click and drag and the file is there. I can even do a bit of extension to ensure that I'm able to get the accurate size that I need to have, right? And I'll just click check. And I just need to come back and say save. So I'm going to show you another method for you to do this if you don't want to go through this exact method. So when you're done with this, if you go back to the file, you can see the mockup has been done. So for the second one, I'll come here. This same document, I'll double click on it. Then I'll bring in the other one, which is the back. So this is the back. So I'll just ensure that everything is upright. Then I'll come here and I'll say save. Then if I come to the original file, you can see it has been placed. So this color actually applies to the color of this corner here. You can actually double click on it and select the colors you want to have there. So any color you select is going to actually reflect there. So I'll just select a little bit of purple, just very little. And even the background, you may be able to change the background as well. So how do I change the background? I'll come here. You can see it's named background already. I'll double click on this, and then I can just select my color, or I can select colors from any of these things. So let's assume I'm picking this color. You can see, or I'm picking this green. You can see. So you can actually select any color of your choice. So, but for me, I would like to use a different color. Let me use something around this. And I'll press OK. So once you are done with this, your mockup is ready. All you just need to do is just export. So let me show you the second option, second method of you working with mockups. So I'm using this file now for this. So what you just need to do is the same method of you clicking on this document file, very small icon. Please note that if you click anywhere else, you might not be able to open the file. It has to be this small icon. You double click on it and it opens. So this is the back. So now, this is the document I want to work with. So instead of me to just click and drag, which some of you might not be able to do, the other method you can use is for you to come to File and click on Place Embedded. When you click on it, it's going to go and locate that file where it is. So all I just need to do is select the file and I'll click on Place and it comes up. So what I just need to do is just drag it up a bit or maybe drag it down just to make sure it fits the size of the mockup so that there won't be some spaces hanging here and there. And I'll come here and I'll click on save. And if I go to the document, you can see the back has been added. So let me add the front as well. So this is it, right? You double click on it. The same method, you just place embedded, select the image, click on place, and it will come up. Then drag it to the size of the mockup so that there won't be any blank spaces here and there. So once this is done, you come to file, then click on save. Then you go back to the file. You can see the edit has been done already. So the same thing applies. You can also change the background image. So maybe I want to change to this green or this purple, or maybe I want to make it a bit dark so that the color of the object can be very, or I can even make it a bit whiter. So I think I love this. So I'm going to just say okay, and that is done. You can see. So I believe with this, you'll be able to work with your mockups anytime. The same method, this third one also is the same method. All you just need to do, what's the only difference is just that the file is not at the top. So for instance, if you click here, this same document, just click on it. It takes you to where you are going to put your icon, your logo, or whatever it is you want to place here. You place it, come to file, and click on save. So because there is no placement, that's why this save is not active. Let's assume I'm bringing in something. Let me bring in this object. If I bring it in and I deactivate this one, you know there's an image in the background, so I'll just deactivate it. Then I'll come to file and I'll click on save. Then I'll go back to Rubber. You can see the edit has been done, right? You can even change the color of that as well to maybe, so because we have purple, maybe a dark yellow or the green. You know, that's brown actually has a green color. So maybe the green, something like this. You can see, then you're fine. So I hope with this you'll be able to know you've known how to work with mockups even in your designs. Let me know if you have any question or comments, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you as soon as possible. Like I said earlier, the file for these mockups that you are seeing is actually going to be in the description below. Thank you.